Hi friends, today we see how to find out, that means second type of question, calculate the total degeneracy for different ions. First we know the microstate table. First you know the meaning of microstate. Microstate. In previous lecture our first question get clear, find out the ground state term. Today we start the new question. Okay, for that purpose you must know the meaning of microstate. Microstate means each different arrangement of electrons, of electron in set of orbital has slightly different energy is called microstate. It's called microstate. What is the microstate? Each different arrangement of electron in a set of orbital has slightly different energy. It's called as a microstate. To find out the microstate for different orbitals, there are three types of formulas. First formula is n factorial divided by n minus small n factorial, and here again n factorial is the n is here small and here n is capital. The second formula is spin multiplicity, that means microstate is equal to spin multiplicity into dimension number. In this formula, first you know when A is there you have to take 1, when E is there you have to take 2, when T is there you have to take the 3. Okay. Then third formula is spin number of degeneracy is equal to twice S plus 1 in second bracket twice L plus 1. These are the three important formulas to calculate the total degeneracy. In exam the question is asked like that, calculate the total degeneracy for following configuration step. For that purpose you have to require the different formulas to calculate the degeneracy. This is very much important formula to find out the total degeneracy of different molecules. Okay. Now we see the example how you calculate the total degeneracy of any ion. First, not a ion, you just take here orbitals. Okay, that is configuration. When F2 is there, what is the question is here? First write the question. Calculate total degeneracy for following configuration state. Example P4, not a P4. The example is, what is the example? F2. Okay, F2. So right here total degeneracy, the formula is n capital N factorial divided by n minus small n factorial, here again n factorial. Okay, here n means what? Okay, how many suborbitals are present in F? 7 orbitals are present. How many electrons are present in F orbital? 14. Okay, when you consider S or electrons are 2, in P 6, D 10, F 14. You must know this thing. S orbital carrying 2 electrons, P orbital carrying 6 electrons, D orbital carrying 10 electrons, F orbital carrying 14 electrons. Okay, so his n is equal to 14 and small n. In example, how many? What is the system? Is of 2. So you have to take n is equal to 2. You just put the values 14 factorial divided by 14 minus 2 factorial, and what is here n, that means 2 factorial. How you write it here? 14, here 14 factorial, and divided by here 14 minus 2, how many factorial are there? 12 factorial. Okay, again 2 factorial. Then you write in simplified manner. So how you write here? 14 factorial multiplied by 13 factorial multiplied by 12 factorial, up to write here 12 factorial, here 12 factorial into 2 factorial. That means what is here? 12 factorial get cancel. Then what is remaining here? 14 multiplied by 13 divided by what is 2 factorial, that means 2 into 1. Okay, here 13 factorial is there. Okay, so here you have to write up to 1, and then after calculation you get the answer 91. Again we take the second example. See the second example. This is simple one, D4 system. Okay, D4 system. What is the capital N? D orbital carrying how many electrons? 10 electrons. Here small n is 4. You have to write the formula n minus n factorial divide into n factorial divide. What is the formula? Sorry, capital N factorial, okay, divided by what is the next one? N minus n factorial small n. N means what? The capacity of orbital. The capacity of orbital. So you have to write it here. N, you just put the values 10 factorial divided by 10 minus 4 factorial. What is the value of n? 4 factorial. Okay, then you just write 10 factorial means what? How you write that? After that 10 factorial, 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 factorial divided by 10 minus 4, how many factorial are there? 6 factorial. Okay, 6 factorial into 4 factorial. Okay, so here 6 factorial you have to write, you have to cancel to each other, so you have to write, you have to stop here. 6 factorial get cancel. Okay, so 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 divided by 4 factorial. So how you write the 4 factorial? 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. This is the factorial of 4 factorial. Then you just simplify here 4, 2. Okay, 3, 3. Okay, 2, 5. Then after that, what is the answer is here? 5 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 7. Okay, what is the answer here? Answer 5 into 3, 15 into 2 into 7. What is the answer is here? 30 into 7, 210. That means this is the degeneracy of D4 system. For that purpose, first you know the meaning of factorial. Okay, when you write the 5 factorial, how you write the 5 factorial? 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Okay, 6 factorial, you have to take 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2. Okay, into 1. Okay, this is called as a factorial. Now we see the next example, P4 T2. Okay, when S, P, D, F is there in example, at that time you have to use this formula, n minus n factorial small n factorial. Okay, in example, when S, P, D, F system is there, at that time you have to use this formula for to calculate the degeneracy. N means what? N means what? Capacity. Capacity. And n means small n means what? Number of electrons present. Okay. For P4 system, n is equal to, in p orbital capacity is 6 and small n is equal to here 4. You just put the values. What is the formula? N, that means 6 factorial divided by 6 minus 4 factorial, here 4 factorial. Okay, 6 means what? Here 6 into 5 into 4, 4 factorial. You just again you write here 6 minus 4, 2 factorial multiplied by 4 factorial. Okay, you stop here, 4 factorial. 4 get 4 factorial cancel. 6 into 5, 30. 30 minus 2 into 1, that means 15. 15 is the answer. Then what is the D2? Okay, D2 means what is here? D2, n is 10 and small n is 2. You just put the values and then we get, what is that? N factorial, that here 10 factorial, 10 minus 2 factorial, 2 factorial. And after simplification, 10 into 9 into 8 factorial. Here 8 factorial and again 2 factorial. 8 factorial get cancelled. Here 90 and 2 into 1. That means here 45. So 15 into 45, the answer is 675. This is the total degeneracy of P4D2 system. Okay. Remaining topic in see in the next lecture.